All right, so again, using your formula booklet. So try and do them first. And then just have a look if you're not sure, if you got it wrong. So for A, we've got 1 plus. Tan 45 we know is 1. So 1 squared is the same as 1. So we've got, I should have said, left-hand side is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now the right-hand side, which is sec squared. So we know sec is, looking at third letter, the reciprocal of cos. So that's really what we're looking at. Now cos 45 is 1 on root 2. So if I put that upside down, I get root 2. And root 2 squared is 2. So you can see, therefore, the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Okay, let's look at B. So the left-hand side is 2. Sine 30 is a half. Cos 30 is root 3 on 2. Now that's 2 times a half is 1, so we're just getting root 3 on 2. My right-hand side, which is sine 60, or sine 60 is root 3 on 2. So again, you can see the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Okay. All right, let's look at C. So C, our left-hand side, pretend I've written it. Well, actually, I'll write it, but I'll write it differently. So I've got cos 60 squared minus cos 30 all squared. Now cos 60 is a half, so we've got half squared. Cos 30 is root 3 on 2. Root 3 on 2 squared. So we get 1 on 4, and root 3 is, square root 3 is 3, square 2 is 4. So I've got a quarter minus 3/4. So I've got minus 2/4, which is minus a half. If I look at the, which equals the right-hand side there. Okay, nice. So that's easy. All right, let's look at the left-hand side of D. We've got 2 tan 30s. Now, tan 30 is 1 on root 3. So we've got 2 lots of those. And we're dividing by, I'm just going to put divide by here so I fit it all on one line. We're dividing by 1 minus, now again, tan 30 all squared. So 1 on root 3 all squared is what we're looking at here. So we've got 2 on root 3. And we're dividing by 1 minus 1 on root 3 all squared. So that's 1 on 3. So again, you can see we've got 1 minus, so if we're dividing by 1 minus a third is 2/3. So we're dividing by, that's 2/3. So that's the same as timesing by 3 on 2. Yeah? And the 2's would cancel. So we've got 3 on root 3. Now, if I wanted to rationalize that, I would times by root 3 on root 3, and you'd get 3 root 3 on 3, which is root 3. And we know that tan 60, I'm going to run out of room, so I'll just write here, which is tan 60 is root 3. So that works nicely.